Good morning, everybody. Going on a little solo hunt this morning. Got old Gobby roosted last night. Hopefully we can get within 100 yards of him this morning and maybe lay him down in the next hour or two. Y'all wish me luck. I'm about to pray, and I'll catch y'all when we get out there. I probably won't say nothing because if I make it out there without busting him, I'll be pretty close and I ain't gonna be able to talk. So wish me luck. you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All right, this is the third outro I'm gonna try to. Do. See if it works. Okay, we are recording. All right. All I can say is thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day. I shot this bird at 6:51. I mean, couldn't ask for no better hunt. Beautiful, beautiful bird. I can't fathom, y'all, how much I love this. Turkey hunting is just something special. It really is. And this is probably about the, I don't know, 9th or 10th bird I've shot. I just got back into it a few years ago with my buddy Hunter, and can't thank him enough for getting me back into it. You know, I used to do it when I was younger, but just me and my daddy kind of got out of it and got back into it. But anyways, came in here this morning, was actually running a little late. I mean, it probably took me 15-20 minutes to walk in here because I knew these birds was roosted on the edge of this field. And got in here, a bird was gobbling a couple hundred yards away. And I was contemplating, do I need to call? Do I not need to call? I mean, I couldn't even get the decoys out there in the field because I figured it was too daylight, they'd see me. And I told myself, I was like, there's no way that bird made it a few hundred yards, because last night, it was right before fly up, he was out here strutting in this field. And probably could have made a move on him yesterday evening, but I like shooting him in the morning better. But anyways, I didn't make no calling or nothing because I knew that the bird was here. I knew he had to be here. There's no way he can make it a few hundred yards. They ended up being a different bird, but this bird never gobbled, never made a peep. I never called, and next thing you know, it's in the video. Pretty much got the whole thing on video besides the shot. Right after the shot, I got it. But he was he had 3 hens with him. 3 hens flew down right in front of me in this galley, and they was probably about 25-30 yards, and I moved the camera so y'all could see them, and they saw the tripod or something. They saw something they didn't like. But beautiful bird. I mean, I can't fathom y'all how much this stuff means to me. But this is my first roosted if you want to say. Me and my old lady, we roosted this bird last night, and I didn't think it was gonna work out as good as it did, but it did. It was the Lord really blessed me this morning, and it's been an amazing season this year, and I just love life, man. It's great. But the Lord blesses us so much, and y'all need to wake up every day and thank the Lord every day for waking up. And Oven Bottom Outfitters out.